The first business model on the list is starting a Skoll community. So Skoll is basically this website I just showed you. I just started my community. I haven't even launched it or advertised it yet. But basically what you do on Skoll is you create a program or a community which people have to pay a monthly recurring price to stay in. There are so many pros to this business model. The first is that you do not need sales calls. Forget about sales calls. So typically when you want to charge a lot, $1,000, $10,000, you have to do a sales call. But the downside is it is extremely time consuming. If you run ads, only half of the people who book a call actually show up. And if you don't run ads, if you make content and if you direct your viewers to your offer, about 67 to 70% actually show up. So sometimes people don't show up, so they waste your time. And then out of the people who do show up, on average, if you run ads, 20 to 30% maximum, and 30% is a lot when you run ads to people who don't know you. 20 to 30% of people buy. When you make content, you can close on average 30 to 50% of qualified prospects. But if you take a lot of calls, you will have a lot of unqualified prospects, meaning people who waste your time. Now, how is this relevant to Skoll? Skoll gives you monthly recurring revenue. For example, if you've got 1,000 members paying you $10 a month, let's just do the math together. I'll pull up the calculator. You are making $10,000 a month. And $10 is a low price. The average price for a Skoll community is $50 a month. If you just have 300 people paying you $50 a month, you are making $15,000 a month, which is $180,000 a year. Now, of course, it doesn't happen overnight. You don't build a community overnight. And that's the only downside, is it can take you a couple months, even a year to get to that six-figure mark. But really, what's the other option? And the only businesses where you get monthly recurring revenue, aside from Skoll communities, it's a software, which, good luck starting a software. It requires a good idea to begin with, which most people don't have. And then it also requires hundreds of thousands of dollars in startup capital most of the time, especially if you yourself, you don't know how to code. I don't know how to code. Or the other thing which gives you monthly recurring revenue is a service. But the issue with services is it's extremely time consuming and you are basically self-employed, but you are employed. You're not really free. The boss is just your customer and you can't really scale it high. So Skoll goes straight up in S tier. If you want to learn how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit online selling digital products without a big budget and without an existing audience, click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment. You'll get a 7-day free trial to my community and program where I'm going to personally walk you through step by step the exact system I use. You can ask me questions directly. You'll know the exact digital product you need to pick before you launch, and I will personally review it as well. And the only 2 things you need to get your first sales ASAP. All of that before you even pay a single cent. The link is in the description below or in the pinned comment. It takes 30 seconds to sign up for free.